discuss all about mean, median, and mode. Ang meaning po sa mean is also known the average. It is calculated by adding up all the values in a set and then dividing by the numbers of values. Sa median naman po, ang meaning sa niya po ng median is middle value in a data set when it is order. This is the average of the two middle numbers. Sa mode po, it is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. We have the given here. The given here is 1 to 10, 11, 20, and 21 to 30, and 31 to 40, and 41 to 50. And the frequency, given naman siya 2, 7, 10, and 3 to 1. Sa frequency, ang himuon lang natin dyan ay ito total natin siya. 10 plus 3 is equals to 13, plus 7 is equals to 20, plus 1 is equals to 21, plus 2 is equals to 23. Ano siya? Ang formula sa pagkuha sa mean is x is equals to sum of x is equals to n. Sa pagkuha sa x, ang solution sa 1 plus 10 is equals to 11, divided by 2 is equals to 5.5, 11 plus 20 is equals to 21, divided by 2 is equals to 13.5, 21 plus 30 is equals to 51, divided by 2 is equals to 25.5, 31 plus 40 is equals to 71, divided by 2 is equals to 35.5, and 41 plus 50 is equals to 91, divided by 2 is equals to 45.5. Adi na yung solusyon niya. Ito na yung solusyon niya na big solve ko na gamit ang formula na x means is mean, tapos sum of x is equals to fx is over n. And then to get the fx, we can multiply the frequency and x. 2 times 5 is equals to 11. 7 times 30. And next, to get the cumulative frequency, we can add this. 2 plus 7 is equals 9. 9 plus 10 is equals to 19. And 19 plus 3 is 19 plus 3 is equals to 22. 22 plus 1 is equals to 23. Para makuha lang ang cumulative frequency, kaya punta lang i-add na frequency. Sunod-sunod, 2 plus 7 ngaya is equals to 9. Ilalag na dito siya sa cumulative frequency. Tapos 9 plus 10 is equals to 19, plus 19 plus 3 is equals to 22, plus 1 is equals to 23. Amo lang pagkuhasan cumulative frequency. Next, to get the median, we can use the formula of mean of x is equals to LB tapos n divided by 2 minus CFFB tapos class interval. Ang mean of x niya is equals to 20.5 plus 21 over 2 minus 9. Ang 9 niya pala, amo na ito sa cumulative frequency na napapagitnaan. Amang inkuha na 9 na cumulative frequency. Ang 10 man na yan, na interval niya, hali yan dito sa may range niya, sa given na, kunyari baga, 1 plus 1 to 10, mabilang kasi 1 to 10, di amo ito. Kay, ano basta ito? Sa tahaw lang basta. And x is equals to 20.5 plus 11.5 minus 9 is equals 10 over 11.5 minus 9 is equals 2.5 and 10. Tapos 2.5 times 10 is equals to 0.25 times 10 is equals to 25. 2.5 plus 0.25 times 10. Pag inod ini 20.5 plus 0.25, magiging siyang 0.25 times 10 is equal. And ang total sa n natin is equals to 23 over 2 is equals to magiging 11.5 or 12 term na siya. Tapos ang LPS niya ang 9, so halit dito sa cumulative frequency. Ang LBMD 20 plus 21 is over divided by 2 is equals to 41 over 2 divided by 2 is equals to 20.5. To get the mode, we can use the formula LBMA plus FNE plus minus FB is equals to over divided by 2 MCF and FB. X is mean of x is equals to 20.5 plus 10 minus 7 equals to 7 minus 3 is equals to 10. 20.5 divided by times 3 divided by 10 is equals to 0.3. Times the 0.3 times 10 is equals to 23. And min of x is equals to 20.5 plus 3 is equals to 23.5. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.